Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to connect ChatGPT with Basecamp 3 or any Basecamp really out there. Now, as you can see, there is no direct integration between OpenAI GPT-3 and Basecamp. However, you can potentially build your own integration using the available API and tools. But there is one way that you can go and that you can connect ChatGPT with Basecamp. Now, first way is to actually go and connect Basecamp with a Google Sheet or connect Basecamp with a, for example, Discord, and then in Discord or in Google Sheets, you can have ChatGPT enabled. So this is a more advanced options, but as you can see, if you go to Integrately or to Zapier, you can do exactly that. So as you can see on Zapier, we actually have here, we can actually create a Zap. So we can actually create a Zap between ChatGPT and Basecamp. However, we cannot select the triggers for ChatGPT, but we can select triggers for Basecamp. So that means this feature is still not yet available. However, as I said, it would be the best if you can go and maybe you can play around with Google Sheets. In Google Sheets, you can turn on ChatGPT. You have ChatGPT add-on in Google Sheets, and whenever something happens in Google Sheets, you can connect that to Basecamp. So how this would look like, you can go here and just take Google Sheets, and then here you can put Basecamp 3, right? And then as you can see, whenever someone, for example, whenever there is a new worksheet or whenever there is a, let's say, updated spreadsheet row, then as you can see, you can create a campfire message. So with this, you can actually go and automate the messages within Google Sheets with ChatGPT. When there is an automated message created, you can send that message to a campfire message in Basecamp. So that's pretty much how you can go and how you can connect ChatGPT with Basecamp. If you want a more detailed video on this, I can definitely create a detailed video. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.